Hello, friends, and welcome to Back in Time. Friends, the moon, which is bearing witness to the great power of God, is illuminating our Earth. But is the moon the only one in this universe? Is there only one moon that we can see? And if the moon were to disappear, what would happen to our Earth? You will find out all of this in the video, my friends. On January 17th, 2010, a famous astronomer, he was sitting at home in his house. Galileo had built this telescope in his house, through which he used to observe the skies very often. On the night of January 7th, he was observing the planet Jupiter. When his amazement knew no bounds, Galileo observed that around Jupiter, 4 stars were orbiting. However, after a few days, he realized that these were not stars, but moons. This was a significant discovery, as these moons are the ones that we see as the Galilean moons around Jupiter. There are many other moons present in the universe. Today, we know that there are more than 200 moons in the cosmos. However, our Earth has only one moon orbiting around it. That's why we only see this one moon. Now, the moon of our Earth is basically made of rock. However, in the universe, there are many moons that have gas and ice present on them as well. Friends, the moon does not have its own light. Instead, it receives light from the sun and then brings it to Earth. The sunlight falls on the surface of the moon and reflects towards Earth. This reflected light is what we see as moonlight. Only about 7% of the light reaches our Earth, and the rest of the light is absorbed by the moon itself. The brightness of the moon that we see depends on the exact angle between the sun, the moon, and our Earth. See the power of God in how the sun, the moon, and our Earth are working together in such perfect harmony. Friends, the moon is approximately 3,74,000 kilometers away from the Earth. But what would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? First of all, it's evident that without the moon, our nights would become even darker, and we would only see stars in the sky. It will become difficult for some animals and birds to survive as they rely on the moon's light, like owls that hunt at night using the moon's illumination. This can create an economic imbalance on our Earth, affecting many such animals and birds worldwide. They will disappear from the world. Friends, the second point is that the disappearance of the moon will have a profound impact on our oceans. Now, you might be wondering what the moon has to do with the oceans. In reality, the moon has a gravitational force inside it, which pulls our Earth towards itself. This force is not strong enough to pull the Earth towards the moon and make it move towards it. However, its effect, when water from the ocean rises to a higher level, it is called high tide, and when it goes down, it is called low tide. The moon controls this phenomenon. In fact, the moon affects whichever part of the Earth it is facing at a particular time. The water from the ocean is pulled towards the moon, and as a result, it rises upward. This happens because of the gravitational force of the moon. If there were no moon, the water in our oceans would not experience these tides. If there were no moon, the tides would cease to exist, leading to the extinction of numerous marine creatures that rely on tides for survival. Predators and other animals that feed on these creatures would also face extinction. In short, without the moon, there would be significant devastation in the oceans. Just imagine, God has designed the moon's presence in such a way that it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance and harmony of our planet. In this universe, everything is interconnected and performing its own designated function. Friends, the moon, through its gravitational pull, exerts control over the Earth and keeps it in its orbit. Without it, the moon, extremely fast winds will begin to blow on our Earth, with speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour possible. This will cause significant devastation on Earth. Moreover, the moon also protects the Earth from many asteroids and other celestial objects that could cause destruction when they collide with the Earth. The moon comes between these objects and the Earth, acting as a shield. So, my friends, look at the moon and express gratitude to God for how beautifully the system of this universe is functioning. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next amazing video. Goodbye.